think there'll be one chance up here at this 6240 area if it comes back up here. And I don't think it's going to last very long. 6240 is against like 63, and I don't think it'll last long. 6240 is against 63. $62.40s against 63. Let's see if we can pop back up there. Still pretty early. And that would just be for a scalp. We would need to really hold down below here and see more selling pressure. Let's see if we can pop up to these 6240s. Tesla selling off, and you can see down here at this daily level getting breached. Not sure that's quite enough yet to step in on the short side on Tesla. Yeah, I'm not as keen on that one. Let's look at Apple, still in its pre-market area. Let's look at Amazon, back into its pre-market area. Google, I don't think I've even looked at today. It's not doing much. Tesla. Here's AMD at 61. I was looking at that 6240 area, so still got a point and a half to go to reach up to me. There's 61 teens. '20s. Tesla's on lows. Tesla cracks 67. 166 low of day. I'm going to step out to a 15-minute just to take a look at this Tesla and this AMD. AMD, I still like the short up there at 6240 near that pre-market low. Tesla, I don't know. Also have earnings season kicking off here. $61.30s, $61.40s, $50s. Can we get up to those $62.40s? Another point higher. Starting to get back up to retest that pre-market low area. Let's see what we can do. This Tesla is not getting back up. It's staying down. Tesla can be very, very tricky, so it's really important to pick excellent, excellent spots. Tesla making new lows. Some size here stacked. Let's look at this footprint a little bit closer. That's a bunch of selling here at the 67.60 area. That's definitely an interesting spot. If we did look for the pre-market low area, 68.40, 69.20, 69.30. Yeah, 68.35s, 69.20. A little bit smaller size because it's a bigger 68.35. It's a bigger, wider 30 against 69.20s. Need to give it more room, more room than the AMD. Gold on the lows, interesting. Other semiconductors on highs. AMD approaching the high 61s. 70s. Can we get over the hole and make a run for that 62.50? Maybe. Maybe. Tesla actually cracked down to new lows. Tesla 66. Gonna crack 66 here. Let's go ahead and set a 165 low a day. Tesla's continuing to go. Not really pulling back, is it? So AMD's closer though. Tesla continuing to move lower. AMD into the 6180s. Very close to testing that 62, and we'll see if we can get up and over. '90s. Here's 62, 20s. Can we get up? 20s. Struggling to get north of those 20s. 30s, I'm up in the 40s, 10 cents away. I saw myself briefly there on the offer. 45, I'm at 45, and I did not get it. Wow, it got up to 42 cents. I did not get it. Wow, I'm gonna go down to 37. See if I can get it at 37. Got within 3 cents of me. Let's see if we can get back up there. That's ridiculously close. 30. Okay, I got it there. Short, and I would have gotten the 45s right there. But anyways, short 37 cents. Again, this is a scalp. Stops at above 63, looking for a flush back down below 61, sorry, below 62, and toward the 61s, maybe the 6120 area could be a pretty good spot. I'll put a bid down there in case we just fly down there very quickly. But this is a scalp, so if we get a nice flush down below 62, I'm perfectly happy with that. ES is rejecting that spot there, so maybe we can see this flush down below 62 soon. Well, that works. Let's go look at Tesla. Tesla bouncing off of that low there, trying to pop up. It's got a long way to go to get up to those levels. AMD, just trying to stay up above 62. The more it stays up above 62, the less confident I feel about it making it further down here, and the more likely I am to scalp it out. Here's a test of 61. Let's watch how they do this. What does it look like? They didn't really break down below the 90s there. Yeah, that was very, very unimpressive. And then immediately back up into the 60s. Like, it barely broke down there. Amazon on highs. What's Tesla doing? Just kind of chilling there. Let's look at Apple. Apple in its pre-market range. ES just kind of moving around. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon breaking out the highs. 189 is the high day. And AMD, despite the conservative entry near pre-market lows, is about to rip up higher above 63. My stop is up at 63.11, so I'm very close to getting stopped out here and just being wrong. And took the stop right there and stopped out of AMD right at the top of that move. Let me set a marker here. So it started to dip down, and then I just didn't see any selling pressure down there below 62, and the way that it just rebounded off of that and exploded up, not a good sign. So yeah, that did not work. We'll see what happens later if it does get back down. I'll set a 162 back down here just to keep track of it.